Good morning. I would like to thank you all for being here today. My name is Josh Pellerin, the President and CEO of Pellerin Energy Group. I would like to welcome our Congressman, Charles Boustany, as well as Mark Herbert from Senator Landrieu's office, and Nicole Hebert and Patrick Broussard from Senator Vitter's office. Thank you all for taking time out of your busy schedules to join us this morning. I also want to recognize Mr. Keith Sahon with Stone Energy and his co-workers. Without them, we would not be here today. I'd like to share a few comments and then turn it over to our dignitaries for their comments. We're here today to unreveal the latest technology used in produced water treatment. While we are excited about the technology, we're also proud that Pellerin Water Solutions and Stone Energy, two local companies, were able to complete this project in Lafayette and help to further strengthen our local economy. Pellerin Water Solutions was approached by Stone Energy to design and build a horizontal flotation separator. We designed a unit which is one of the largest in the Gulf of Mexico, specifically for Stone Energy's deepwater Pompano facility. Utilizing the latest technology available, we are able to enhance the separation process. This process will be discussed further in a moment. Building on the support of local companies like Stone Energy, Pellerin Energy Group has had unprecedented growth in the past 2.5 years. We are currently engaged in projects around the world. We're having strong relationships with many companies here in the Acadiana area and feel it is important to increase our local business base as we continue to grow our global footprint. We believe in Lafayette, we believe in Acadiana, and we believe in Louisiana. The rollout of this technology today demonstrates that we have world-class capabilities in the Acadiana market. Stone Energy is one of the largest independent oil and natural gas exploration and production companies in the Gulf of Mexico. And we are pleased that they trusted Pellerin with the challenge of developing this horizontal flotation separator. While this is one of the largest flotation units specifically designed for the deep waters of the Gulf of Mexico, it was built to exceed Stone Energy's produced water needs, and Pellerin Water Solutions has positioned itself to be a leader in the oil and gas industry for produced water. We look forward to continuing to support the efforts of companies like Stone that work every day to meet the world's growing energy needs through exploration, development, and production of oil and natural gas. After a few of our guests have spoken, we will be available to answer your questions. Right now, I'd like to invite Congressman Boustany to the podium to share his thoughts. Welcome, Congressman. Thank you.
Thank you, Josh, and congratulations to you. I met Josh when he first got started in all this, and what a tremendous entrepreneur and a great example of what we can do right here in South Louisiana. This is a tremendous partnership that's occurred, and when you think about it, Louisiana is a major global player on so many fronts, and if anybody thinks manufacturing is dead in the United States, they need to come down here to South Louisiana and see exactly what's going on. What you have here is an entrepreneur who has partnered with a manufacturing and fabrication company to provide this tremendous water structure separator to service what's going on in the deep water Gulf of Mexico. We are known in Louisiana as an energy provider for the world. We have a global reputation, from services to E&P and everything in between. But the fact that we now have another entrepreneur who can step up and move this forward shows that we in Louisiana know that good energy policies, good economic policies, and good environmental policies can march hand in hand. This is tremendous opportunity. This is about job growth. It's about economic development. So I'm proud to be here with you today, Josh. I want to congratulate you on the rapid growth trajectory. I want to congratulate Spirit Industries and Stone Energy for this tremendous partnership and the great work you're doing. You certainly make me proud. And as somebody who interacts with people from around the world in the business arena, it's easy for me to step forward and say, yeah, I'm from South Louisiana. I represent Acadiana with some great companies. People know who we are. And if you think about it, we're seeing tremendous investment coming into South Louisiana today because of what's been built here. I think we're only at the very beginnings of a new era in energy diplomacy, a renaissance in the energy sector. It's occurring right in front of us. Just right here in the deepwater Gulf of Mexico, the Energy Information Administration is projecting significant growth going forward. And so we're seeing this amazing growth in the Gulf, the shale revolution, partnering with Canada and maybe now with Mexico, which is going to take energy production in North America to a new level, which I believe will dwarf what OPEC and the Russians are doing today in the energy sector. And the best part of all of this, we're talking about jobs right here in South Louisiana. So again, congratulations to everybody, and I'm just really proud to be here.
Thank you, Congressman. Thank you. I'd like to introduce Mr. Mark Herbert from Senator Landrieu's office.
Thank you, Josh. It's an honor to be here on behalf of the Senator. I want to echo the sentiments of Congressman Bustani. What a wonderful thing it is to see new technologies, new industries being developed right here in Louisiana to lead the world into a new energy revolution. I think you'll find that over the coming years, Louisiana will demonstrate that it has the infrastructure, the attitude, and the know-how to bring this energy revolution into the forefront. Senator Landrieu wants to use her position as chairman of the Energy and Natural Resources Committee to usher that in. And I know that our delegation will support her in that. Again, congratulations on this tremendous achievement. We look forward to seeing and hearing of many more new partnerships and business developments happening right here in Acadiana and Louisiana, and anything that we can do to help that become a reality, we'll be happy to do. Thank you.
Thank you, Mark. Now I'd like to invite Ms. Nicole Hebert from Senator David Vitter's office. Good morning, Nicole.
Good morning. Thank y'all so much for having us. Senator Vitter is proud to call Louisiana the home of the workforce that makes our manufacturing and energy production renaissance possible. There is not enough of There's not enough of America that appreciates everything Louisiana and Louisiana businesses do. This project, the jobs it means, the ingenuity that it represents, and the opportunity it provides are the epitome of what makes free market economics, Louisiana, and this country great. Senator Vitter would like to thank you sincerely for the heart and soul of Louisiana that went into making this possible. Thank you.
Thank you, Nicole. And now I'd like to introduce Mr. Keith Saham with Stone Energy.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Great. Thank you, Josh, for having me here. I work with Stone Energy. I'm Vice President for Deepwater. It's a privilege to be here. I'm going to reserve my appreciation for Josh until I get out of here without a hammer in my hand, because it looks like we're in a place where work is done.
Yes, sir.
I'll be brief, but I appreciate having Congressman Bustani here and the offices of Senator Vitter and Senator Landrieu. We are really excited about this. Stone Energy is a Louisiana company. Our corporate office is here in Lafayette. We have satellite offices in other little towns like Houston down the street. But we have quite a significant growth program right ahead of us, and we're spending roughly $1 billion this year in our capital budget, and the majority of our development in the future is around our Pompano asset, and this piece of equipment is a very critical component to that because it's going to allow us to increase our production volumes and reduce our impact on the environment. So this is a very important piece of technology. We would only entrust it in the hands of a group that has the experience and the technology to do it right. And Pellerin Energy is that company. So we appreciate the opportunity to be a part of this, and we appreciate the luxury of having local companies like this that can do this business, because it's our preference to work with companies in Lafayette, in Acadiana, and in Louisiana. So thanks for having us, and appreciate seeing everyone else here.
Thanks, Steve. So in closing, again, I'd like to personally thank everyone for being in attendance today. I'd like to thank the PWS team for the great job that they've done. Ed, Benji on the design, Benji on the project management side. Thank you guys. Y'all did a great job. In closing, a few things. There are a lot of press packets, giveaways, and refreshments under the tent. We have a photographer on hand for any photo opportunities anyone would like. And the technical guys will be available to answer any questions that you may have as it pertains to the HF separation unit. Thank you.